Taffybwoi.
May I go pick up the mail here? Good morning. May I go to post office? Then I saw your plan for just making left so. Here a mess, you see? In a glove, whatever it is. You go to post office. Me not think no one know, you know. Daddy, I whole heap to get another day. Me have to make sure say, them me not touch me. Nah. No. See, my friend, them a tell me, say me don't have no sort. True, me left the world and the son God soldier about me. Tell them me have to live my life while Papa me go to expand the world. And them no want to walk at them. Tell I them don't like iron.
Yeah, go on.
Right now make the plan blend. And I said, John is only God I mean, not highly selected, nor empress my name. Hey, when I said, Junior, Daddy, you frighten me, na? What this year do? What this year do? What make you wet up the letter them? Me I try get the words them to come back together so we can read them. You know in one straight line. Wait, what? You want to get the words them so we can read them. So Daddy, me did I think say, you did I think, and that you come up with. Junior, make this make sense, you know. Make this make sense. Well, Daddy, these are the ones that you always say you don't want, and they keep sending. I smell a rat. Because they are junk mails. So, me I try sober them up. It is over. No, me have to go. Me have to go game way, you know. Me have to go game way. If me not game way, me health I go good. If one make you a laugh so. Well, me did I think. Take everything for joke, you know. Boy, I have a pint, you know. But it could have worse. I could have somebody hot manish water we have on the stove there. You go around there, go see him pour it down in the sink. And now would that
Taffybwoi.